Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to change the role of delegates on X right from the web version on your PC. If you recently started managing accounts through X's new delegate feature, this guide will help you adjust those roles quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Once you're on the home page, make sure you're signed in to the account where you want to manage delegates. Now, look to the left side of your screen and click on the More icon. This icon expands a list of additional options. From there, click on Settings and Privacy. Within that menu, choose Security and Account Access. This section controls everything related to your account's security and access permissions. Next, find the option labeled Delegate and select it. This is where you can view and manage all the delegates connected to your account. Once inside, click on Members you've delegated. You'll see a list of accounts that currently have delegate access. Look for the account whose role you want to change. Next to their name, click on Change Role. A small menu will appear with the available role options for that delegate. Choose the one that fits the level of access you want them to have. After selecting the new role, confirm your selection. X will then update the permissions instantly, applying the new role to that delegate's account. And that's it. You've successfully changed the role of a delegate on X using the web version on your PC. This update makes managing access much simpler, especially if you have multiple team members handling posts, replies, or analytics. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and share it to help others learn about X's newest account management features. For more easy guides like this one, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for future updates.